In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to integrate Dialogflow Chatbot in your website. Firstly, sign up for a free trial at Social Intents, then create a live chat widget. Copy the generated code snippet and paste it into your website. Now go to Dialogflow and select Dialogflow ES. Then click Go to Dialogflow ES console. If you don't have an agent, just click Create one. Use the default intents for basic responses or create new intents as needed. Now click the Settings gear next to your agent name. Go to Project Settings and select Create Service Account. Assign the role Dialogflow API Client to your service account. Then click Done and then click Add Key. Choose JSON as your key type, then click Create. Now download the JSON key file to your computer. Now log into Social Intents and go to My Apps. Edit your live chat widget, then go to the Chatbots tab and set a chatbot name, select the language and choose the type and upload the JSON key file you downloaded. Once done, your Dialogflow chatbot will be enabled and ready to interact with visitors on your website. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.